Hi everyone, I'm drawing Embarrassment, the new character from the Inside Out movie. Let's begin by drawing her big round nose. Next, her eyes. Embarrassment is a new character in Inside Out 2 movie. And eyebrow. Let's draw the shape of her face. Then, her hair. Embarrassment is wearing a hoodies. Embarrassment is a character who blushes easily and feels shy when something awkward or silly happens. She has a gentle expression and often covers her face with her hands. Embarrassment helps Riley by reminding her to be careful about what she says and does. Even though embarrassment can make Riley feel uncomfortable, she also helps her learn and grow from her experiences. I'm drawing her hand. Then, her pants. And her shoes. Excellent! Let's color embarrassment together. First up, we have black. Then, pink. Embarrassment blushes and feels shy when something awkward happens. Have you ever felt shy or embarrassed? Next is magenta pink. We have light shade of gray. Embarrassment teaches Riley to be careful with her actions. What helps you feel better when you're embarrassed? Embarrassment helps Riley think before she acts. What do you do when you feel shy or embarrassed? Then, purple. Embarrassment shows us that everyone feels shy sometimes. And a red. Amazing! Embarrassment looks fantastic. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.